Recovery after THERMltight of the abdomen is very similar to recovery after liposuction. The key is to wear compression and hold the skin flat. So what we'll do is we put you in a compression garment such as Spanx, and we hold the skin flat with foam, and that is all you have to do after THERMltight to the abdomen is wear compression. I tell people they can exercise after 1 week, they can shower after 24 hours, they can go swimming after 3 weeks, and I may let you go swimming earlier than that depending on how things heal up. As long as you're looking okay, we might give you the green light to swim and take baths before 3 weeks. But in general, it's shower after 24 hours, exercise after 1 week, swimming after 3 weeks, and you need to wear compression for 2 months to get the best result. But you can cheat every now and then with the compression and wear it less frequently. I guess you don't have to wear it for as much total time towards the end of those 2 months after THERMltight. You're gonna wanna wear compression the most 24/7 right away for that first week, and then you can wear it less and less and less over the next 2 months for THERMltight treatments. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.